How to check text message history on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. The Messages app on iPhone allows users to send and receive text messages, photos, videos, and other media. It also supports features like group messaging, voice messages, and the ability to schedule messages. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Scroll down to the end to check all your old messages. Then, go to the search bar at the top and type in the word or person that you're looking for in your old messages. Once you find the results, tap on that person's name. You have now opened their chat. You can start a conversation with them again or check your old messages with them from here. Following these steps, you can easily check text message history on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.